perfect resume in 5 minutes. You gonna hesitate for a second, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm going from how to do it, and today we gonna let you know that how to make a perfect resume not in 5 minutes, just in 2 minutes. Check out your countdown from now and let's see how we can do so. But before that, I'm requesting you like the video and share the video so that your friends also can make perfect resume in just 2 minutes. Let's begin the video. What you have to do is you have to go to the chat GPT, and over there you have to type my name is this one and I have passed this class from this board or this university from this in this year and with this percentile for your next class with university and your years and percentile and subjects if you want to add specifically, and your master's degree, and you have to write down over there that I need a well designed resume for applying for English teacher job, and you can change it accordingly. You want to apply for engineering or engineer, or you want to apply for a clerk, or you want to for multitasking or anything, and check out countdown. There is just 1 minute and 20 seconds. And with an empty box for photo, my contact number are these and my email address is this one, and for your address specifically you can add your address according to that. Now press this arrow and voila, checked it out my friend. Your resume preparing has been started on. That's your resume. You can call it resume or resume. I can't say anything about it. Many people say resume and many people say resume. There's a photo and address and everything is ready. If you want to command it, make a PDF, then they can do so. And you can check out this resume is already prepared. 1 second, where the hell is it gone? Okay, that's it. That is for English teacher and anything. This is just created, and check out the time, not 5 minutes. Oh, I was just kidding. I haven't took your 5 minutes. Just created that that's a resume, and you can take out the print out signature over there and paste your photograph, and then voila, the mail is ready. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Don't forget to share because it's very important for us and your friends. Bye bye.